The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Install the filter, remove the cap of the filter, and replace any of the 4 small sealing rubber rings with the spare ones if damaged. Check the 2 large rubber rings on the bottleneck and replace them with spares if necessary. Install the holder. Install the RF and suction body handle. Install the RF and ultrasound handle. Install the EMS and EL handle. Install the RF and suction handle. Connect the small laser pads to the main unit. Followed by the large laser pads. Place each installed handles into the holder in order. RF and suction body handle cotton filter replacement. Remove the plug and filter from the suction hole, insert a new filter, and reinsert the plug securely. Follow the same steps as above for RF and suction handle filter replacement. Once all parts are set, power on the device. Choose RF and ultrasound on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Ultrasound energy, 3. Ultrasound mode, M1. RF energy, 3. RF mode, NOR. Press the on/off button to initiate the process. Press the on/off button to stop the operation. Choose RF and suction body on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. RF mode, NOR. Suction duration, 5. Release duration, 2. Suction intensity, adjust the energy according to individual endurance. Press the on/off button to initiate the process. Find the rotary knob on the side of the device to adjust suction intensity, which can be modified anytime during operation to match individual tolerance. Press the on/off button to stop the operation. Choose RF and suction on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. RF energy level, 3. RF mode, NOR. Suction duration, 3. Release duration, 1. Suction intensity, adjust the energy according to individual endurance. Press the on/off button to initiate the process. Press the on/off button to stop the operation. Choose EMS and EL on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. EL energy level, 3. Press the on/off button to initiate the process. Press the on/off button to stop the operation. Choose Lipo laser on the screen. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Mode, M1. Energy level, 3. Press the on/off button to initiate the process. Press the on/off button to stop the operation. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.